Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your acrylic nails at home. I know you've probably seen a couple people filming how they do the acrylics at home, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So obviously in quarantine, the nail salons are all closed. So if you're like me and you love to get your nails done, this whole quarantine has been hard for me, but you actually can do it at home and it's quite easy. This isn't the first time I've done my acrylics at home. I remember when I was in secondary, I wasn't allowed to do my nails, so I used to do my acrylics, but it was a different method. It was just like a dipping acrylic method. The method I'm going to show you today is sculpting, but if you do find this a little bit difficult, you can just get the dipping one. I know Argus sell a really good one. That's the one I used to use. It's £20 I think. You can do the set I think 2 or 3 times, which is quite, you think about it, £20 for 3 sets of nails is quite good. Basically I got a kit, but not everything in the kit is what you need to do your acrylics. So I did get some other stuff off eBay. So the kit I'm using today is a Kiss French Tip acrylic set. So online Superdrug sell this. I don't know if they sell this in actual stores. This set is for the French Tip acrylic set. So it only comes with a neutral tip and a white tip. I'll show you the 2 tips right now. So yeah, so this set comes with a neutral tip and a white tip. So originally I was just going to use the neutral tips. I don't really like the look of a white false tip. So I saw some reviews about the kit and a lot of people were saying that the neutral tip has like a yellowy tinge to it and it makes your nails look dirty when they're not. So I'm not here for that. So instead I got some clear tips from eBay. These were, I think, they were less than £10 and it comes with a huge bag of tips and they're numbered 0 through 9 and depending on your nail shape depends on what tip you use. So the Kiss set only comes with a clear acrylic and I wanted to do the glass tip look, so I needed a pink acrylic as well. So I got my pink acrylic from eBay. I just got this little sachet. The camera isn't really showing its true colour. It's the perfect nude that they use for dark skinned girls. I know that's different from the nude that they use for people that have a light complexion. This again was less than £10. I think it was like £8 or something. The kit doesn't come with a primer, and again, watching reviews, because I've watched so many reviews of people doing their acrylics at home and I didn't want to mess it up. So the key thing that they said that you need is definitely a primer. From Amazon. This primer had the best reviews and it was very inexpensive. Again, less than £10. If they're in stock, I'll leave the links down below. Focus, sis. So this is a brush, the brush that comes in the set. If my camera will focus, it's very like flimsy. I felt like I couldn't really control the acrylic, so instead I'm using an old makeup brush that I don't use anymore. It's just this kind of flat packing brush. This is the pot that had the white and neutral tips in. I just use it to separate the acrylic and the liquid. It's dirty because I've used it. Open up the save, bitch, got a lot to say. I'm gonna divide the screen in a second so you guys can see what exactly I'm doing. I'm gonna be filming this on my vlogging camera. So the drills that I'm using are from this number 7 set that I got several years ago. I don't know if they still sell this set. It's probably 6-7 years ago when I got this. So I don't really use this set. I haven't really used this set until I started doing my acrylics at home. So, you know, I don't know if this was a good purchase or a bad one. This drill set comes with, you know, some standard drills. I think these are for the heels of your feet to smooth them out. This is to push back the cuticles, and these are all like buffing drills, and this is to polish your nail. So when I got this set, I don't think it was more than £20, but obviously, you know, quarantine, they've put the price up on a lot of things that we will be using at home, you know, to scam us all.
Did you see what I did there?
It's a scam.
A top coat. I'm not doing gel nails, so I'm just using a regular clear top coat, and a file. This is 100 and 180 grit. The tougher side really does help with the sculpting. So nail polish remover, make sure it's nail polish remover, not acetone. Don't make that mistake, please. This is just to clean your nails before we attach the tips and some cotton pads, obviously. To get best results, cut down your nails. So today I'm only going to be doing my left hand on camera, basically only because I am right-handed, so my left hand will come out a lot nicer than my right hand will. I don't want you guys to come.
She can't even do her nails. Like, why is she doing her tutorial?
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna lay out my tips just to make it easier for me. Okay, so the sizes of my nails are, so it's 8, 5, 4, 5 and 2. Yeah, now you want to clean your nails with some nail polish remover to take off all the oils that you might have on your nails. So now I'm going to stick down the nails. I'm using 2 glues, this one that comes in the set and this one that I bought I think from Amazon or eBay. Make sure when you're sticking it down that no air bubbles are trapped, because that is the worst. Okay, so the nails are all on. These nails are not that long. I don't know if I want long nails or short ones. I feel like coffins are the easiest shape to achieve. So I filed down the tips to a coffin-ish shape. It's not completely perfect right now. I like to put a generous amount of primer on my nail. Make sure that your windows are open because this smells toxic. I'm not taking the pink all the way to the tip. I'm just gonna be concentrating it on the part of the nail that my actual skin is at, you know. This looks mad, but when I file it down it's all gonna look okay and good. So this is when I use the drills. I'm gonna lie to you, the drill isn't that powerful. It's a bit of a letdown, but it does get into the nooks and crevices that the file can't. I'm just gonna use the drill on these 2 fingers. These 3 aren't completely dry yet. Just to get like the corners around my nails. It's a bit more tight and I need something that's a bit more precise. So I have filed my nails all the way down into a coffin. This isn't quite a coffin shape, but it is very close to a coffin shape. I got tired and I couldn't be bothered to do it anymore. I have got this dust everywhere and I'm sweating. Oh, I look like a hot mess. Yeah, I mostly used the actual nail file and not the drill. The drill isn't, well, this drill isn't strong enough. So I'm just going to clean my nail with some nail polish remover, and this is going to sting a bit because I did nick myself quite a bit with the nail filer. Oh. Ow. Ow. Ah. Ah. So I'm just going to put a top coat on it. I'm going to insert the clip right here after it's dried. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll link everything down below so you guys can purchase it if you want. And yeah, bye guys.